everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing, and this you might think is the Boxy Charm Luxe, but it's not. This was the best of Boxy that they had on their cyber deal, and originally it was like $99, and I waited and waited and waited. And I found it online for $69, and it's got like $450 worth of products inside of it. And I did not get Boxy Charm the whole entire year last year, so there was a lot of things that I didn't get. And there was also so many variations in the boxes. So let's open this up. I haven't had a chance to open it up yet and look inside. And if I do have anything that are repeats, I'm going to be throwing that away in for another giveaway. So, and this is what the box looks like to start off with. This is the first layer. So the first thing I see here is a Aesthetica P12 brush. I think I have this brush. So if I'm correct, this will be an item that will be going away in a giveaway. The next is the Cover Effects Blurring Primer. And this I'm going to be keeping. This is my favorite primer, and I'm almost all out, so very happy about that. Next is the Cargo Cosmetics Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. So let's open that up. Oh, it's dirty. See, it's all. But I don't have it, so that'll be nice to have. And next we have the Naked Cosmetics palette, and this is a holographic highlighter collection. Oh, that's really pretty. And that's that. You guys probably got some of this stuff, but like I said, I didn't get everything that was in the box for the year. And those are pretty. So that's awesome. So next we are going on to the next level. So this is the Tarte's Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. And if I am mistaken, yep, that's that right there. And I do have this, so this will be going in for the giveaway. And then next is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar palette. And that is what that looks like. And this will also be going in a giveaway. So, and then next is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And those are those. Oh, those are beautiful. So, do not have those. And next is a crayon palette. That is the front of it. And that is the inside. I'll do some swatches. So I don't have this because I ended up getting the Tarte Set and Face. That's really pretty. So that's awesome. So, and now we are into another level. This box keeps going. Ooh. So, first thing I see is a Desi Age Defying Nail Treatment. I have this already, but let's see if I can open it. And that is it. So this will also be going away in a giveaway. And next is, you guys know my opinion on this. It is the Superhero It Cosmetics Mascara. I don't like this mascara, so that's going away in a giveaway too. Next is the Desi High Definition Liquid Lipstick. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I have this color too. So if I do have it, this will be going away in a giveaway. And you guys are lucking out just as much as I am in this box. So, let's see. Oh. Next is the Girlactic. Put this up. Blush and highlighter. Oh, those are beautiful. And I don't have those yet. Oh, those are like, oh, those are gorgeous. And those are right here. I don't think you guys can see it though. But those are gorgeous. So I will be keeping that. Next, we have the Cover FX Glitter Drops. So, oh wow. Those are really blue. I've got to try this. Matches my eyeshadow today. That is crazy. Wow. Yes, that is some blue, blue, blue. That is pretty. Actually, it's kind of like got like pink tones in it too. I don't think you guys can see it, but it is crazy. That is gorgeous. I love that. Let's see, what else do we have? We have the Luscious Eyeshadow Primer Base. I don't have this. And that is that what it looks like. And we have the English Laundry number 7. I think this is a perfume. Oh, that smells pretty. I like that. That's very pretty. And there's 2 things left in the box. Next, we have the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Sanctuary. No, I didn't get this the last time. I didn't get this color. Oh, that's pretty. But like I said, if I do have it and I'm mistaking, it will be going in a giveaway for you guys. So, and next is what I'm most excited about. This is the Tarte Park Ave Princess. This was in the first Luxie box. Get that box, and I sat there for hours trying to get this box, and I wasn't able to get it. So, oh my gosh, it is beautiful though. See if I can hide some of the mirror. And that is it. It looks like it is highlighters, which I think you could actually use some of these colors for eyeshadow too, because that would be really dark for a blush. It's called a Chisel Palette. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. So I'm glad I got it now. So. And that was it in the box. Not so bad. I ended up with a few things, and you guys ended up with a few things too, like I said. And like I said, if there's any more dupes that I do have, that I will be throwing that along with you guys. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.